Hey, I'm Graham Vaux, I'm Secretary of the Fire Brigades Union. We've had to come out into town again today to warn people of the shocking cuts from central government that's affecting our fire service. Nationally, over the last 5 years, we've lost over 5,000 firefighters. In Leicester alone, over the last 5 years, we've lost over 70 firefighters, and there is about to start a consultation because of another £7.5 million worth of cuts from central government, and that will affect Leicestershire in a number of ways. They're about to consult on proposals to save that money, which may include removing of a fire appliance in Loughborough, Oakham, and a fire appliance in the city, as well as removing the number of firefighters that ride on a fire engine from 5 to 4. So what does that mean to the public? Well, slower response times. With less resources, there may not be the resilience, so you may not get a fire, the amount of equipment and the number of firefighters that's needed. And if there's not enough people on a fire engine when it arrives, we simply can't carry out the rescue until other resources arrive. So like the proposals in Loughborough, we'll have to wait for another appliance, maybe another 10 minutes, which is shocking if people are trapped in a house fire. So what we need from people today is to write to their MP and demand more funding for the fire service, to take part in the consultation that Leicestershire will be running from October to December. Go on the Leicestershire website, they'll give you the opportunity to fill out a questionnaire. Now, Leicestershire, rightly so, they talk about that we've managed to reduce fire calls because we've been working so hard on fire safety. But that is not a reason to remove fire engines, because people still need fire engines and they don't want to have to wait extra time for their resources to arrive. So the questionnaire talks about reducing fire calls, but where it asks whether we should be removing fire engines to save money, we ask people to just say no, because it is not acceptable. And write to the councillors that are on the fire authority and demands that they find a different way to save the money. So any help that people can give the fire service to stop these devastating cuts would be really appreciated.
Are you coming around?